So here I'll explain this DR metric and how why I say this is a vanity metric with two examples. One example where I will explain this with two lead intelligence softwares, Uplead and Lead IQ. So here, if you can see, with Uplead, DR is around 75, and the organic traffic for all locations is 39.2K. And when we consider this and when we see their backlink data for Uplead, uh, I'll just see and uh, so all the benchmarking is already been done, and the filters are already been there, like DRS 61, domain traffic from 1K, referring paid traffic from 1K. So you can see two links are there which passes the benchmark score. Now we'll compare it with the lead IQ. So for Uplead, the DR is 75 and traffic is 39.2K. Now comparing with the lead IQ, DR will be reducing, but the traffic will increase largely here, because you see the organic traffic is over 100K while DR is just 68. So that's the one difference. Another is the backlink difference, because if you see for lead IQ, the backlink count is also remains the same, which is 2. So hence prove that DR is a vanity metric. It doesn't connect with anything, it doesn't depend on anything, and even with lower DR, higher traffic can be possible. So it's not always like higher DR, higher the DR, higher the traffic.